Hello, I'm Wim van Heertem, Product Manager at Fischer Connectors. Fischer Connector has been designing, producing and distributing high-performance circular connectors for more than 60 years. And our products really stand out for their reliability, their precision and their resistance to harsh environments. And that's also why you see our products being used in applications where quality is essential, like medical, instrumentation and also military. At Fischer Connectors we also drive product innovation to always address the changing needs and market trends like miniaturization, high-speed data transmission and extreme robustness. And to answer those market trends, we are proud to announce 3 new product launches here at this fair, one on the Minimax range, one on the fiber optic range and one on the rugged flash drive. The first innovation we're showcasing here is a range extension on our Minimax product line, where we had 24 and a 19 position both signal and power contacts. And we are adding an even smaller Minimax to the range, which is really our high density and miniaturization product line, with our Minimax size 6 that holds up to 12 contacts, and we also have a 2+2 version for even more high power applications. Also, to push further miniaturization in our fiber optic range, next to the standard 2+2 and 4 connectors, we are launching a new single fiber, small, also for applications typically in sensing. And this product of course has the same optical performance and also is field cleanable thanks to being IP68. And last but not least, we're also announcing a range extension of our rugged flash drive, safe and secure data transmission. We are adding 2 additional products that are 30% smaller and at the same time 5 times faster, as they are using now a USB 3.0 chipset.